Hi everyone, welcome back. I'm your wellness coach, Jessie Lee. Recently, some of my students have asked me a very insightful question. When we do facial lifting techniques, why do I always begin with lymphatic drainage? The reason is simple. The lymphatic system functions like a switch. If that switch isn't turned on and the pathway isn't clear, everything else you do will be less effective. However, some students have noticed something that seems contradictory. Lymphatic drainage moves from top down, while facial lifting techniques move from bottom to top. So, how do we resolve this apparent conflict? Today, I want to explain how to approach this correctly. The key lies in a few small details. If I didn't point them out, if you were not observing closely, you might not even notice them. Let's take the face as an example. When we perform lymphatic drainage, we generally drain downward from behind the ears. But in most cases, our lifting movement also includes some form of drainage. For areas like the neck, where we need both lifting and drain, the ideal technique is to move in a motion similar to draw a letter C, like this. To put it simple, if you are unsure, the safest approach is to separate lymphatic drainage and facial lifting into two steps. But if you are short on time and want to combine them, most of the time I combine them because it really saves me time. For this case, you need to make sure you drain from behind the ears and use a letter C motion to work around the neck area. Most importantly, we have to avoid pulling the skin of your face downward. It means we can't drain directly on our face. Now, let me demonstrate this for you so you can see it in action. And if you have any questions, feel free to email me.